How to fix YouTube app not working. Firstly, restart the YouTube app. If you have opened the YouTube app before, then it will stay in the background apps. Swipe from bottom to top. This will show all the background apps. Swipe up to clear YouTube. Now again, try to open the app. Once that is done, then restart your phone. A simple reboot can fix most app problems caused by system processes. Now check your internet connection. Most of the time, your network connection might be lagging, because of which you might be facing those problems. So make sure that your internet is running smoothly. If you face any kind of lag, then try switching the networks. In your Play Store or App Store, try looking for updates for the YouTube app. Go on and search for YouTube, and if there are any updates available, click on the update option to update your app. Also, try clearing cache of YouTube. Navigate to the YouTube app and tap and hold on it. Click on the eye icon and scroll down. Look for the option Storage and click on it. At the bottom right corner, click on Clear Cache. That's all for today. Thank you.